Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your interest in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And then it opens up in the home menu. From here we have to go into the saved menu. And then in the saved menu, we have to go into settings by tapping on the little cog in the top right corner and then settings. Then we can tap on the home feed tuner. And if we scroll to the right, we find interests. And then we can tap on interests that we have to remove them, or we can tap on new interest to add them. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.